So here they're saying the interior angles of a pentagon are in the ratio 4 to 5 to 5 to 7 to 9. Find the size of the largest angle. So the first thing here must be to use the formula for finding the sum of the interior angles. Okay, so this is minus here n minus 2, okay, times 180. Okay, so uh, what is the sum, what is the total, or what is the number of sides of the pentagon? It's 5. So write 5 minus a 2 and 180 there. So what is 5 minus 2? That's a 3. Okay, so times 180. Okay, we want to find sum of the total, or sum of the angles or total angles of a pentagon. So when we multiply, what are we getting? We're getting a 540. So 540. Okay, so now uh, out of this ratio, the number that will give us the largest angle is a 9. So we're going to say 4 plus 5 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. And this will give us a 30. So we shall say 9 for the bigger or the larger angle over 30 times 540. What are we getting there? So 9 over 3 times 540. It's giving us 162. So the size is 162. Okay. So question 13 here. Work out 2 times 10 to the power 100 minus 2 times 10 to the power 98, giving your answer in standard form. So here we copy what we have here. Okay. So this is what we have. Now we factor out what is common. So what is common is this right here. Okay, open bracket. So if you know how to factorize, is what I'm doing here. So here we shall remain with 10 to the power 2 minus 1. Okay, here when we factor out this, we remain with a 1. We work out, okay, what is inside here. We're getting a 100 minus a 1 there, which is giving us it's giving us a 99. This is 99. So when we multiply 2 times 99, so 2 times 99, we're getting a 198. So we say times 10 to the power 98 there. So now putting this answer in standard form, right here, standard form, it will be 1.98 times 10. So how many decimal places? It's 2, 1, 2. So these 2 will be added to the power. So it will be power 100. And this is our answer. So 1.98 times 10 power 100 is our answer. So the next question here. So for question 14, a train passes through a station at a speed of 108 kilometer per hour. The length of the station is 120 meters. The train takes 7 seconds to completely pass through the station. Work out the length of the train. So what we're going to do here is to say, okay, this is a station and it's 120 meters. Okay, so the train, so we shall say this is a train. Okay, it's right here, and this train, we don't know the distance or the length of the train. Okay, so the train must cover this distance. Okay, and yeah, it goes there. So it's covering this distance, like from here. Let me say this is a train. Okay, and here also this is a train. So this train will move from this point up to this point, and it's covering this distance. So what we need to do is to use the formula of finding speed, which is equals to speed is equals to distance over time. So this is in kilometer per hour. So we need to convert it, the speed. So it will be 1000, okay, times the speed that we have. We're trying to convert it. So we are converting now kilometers. This is for kilometers. For hours, taking into seconds, it will be divided by 3,600. And when we work out things here, it will be 30 meters per second. 30 meters per second. Okay. So I've converted this one. So we shall say 30 is equal to, the distance is 120. So this distance is for a building. So you add the distance of the train, of which we don't know, or the length, sorry, length of the train, of which we don't know, over the time, which is 7 seconds. So when we work out things there, we cross multiply 30 times 7, which is giving us a 210. Is equal to 120 plus x. We group the like terms. We have x is equal to 210 minus 120. So 210 minus 120 is equal to 90 meters. So this is the 90. The answer here is 90.